I'm going to do a cook with me. I haven't done one of those in a while, so I figured I would go ahead and do one of those. And today I'm going to be making some tacos, and I'm going to be using ground turkey meat instead of beef. And so I actually love it this way. I'm trying to be healthier, as you all know. So I use my turkey meat instead, and I think it's delicious. I absolutely love it. So I just got home from work, and it is like 6:20, I would think. Yeah, it's going on 6:20. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started, and I hope you really enjoy this meal. And I will leave all the things that I use in the description box, and also I'll make sure I hold up some of the ingredients that I use as well. Alright, here we go!
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you've tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah. Cause I'm the winner, yes. Am I awake or am I dreaming? So far gone, I won't look back. And when I move, there ain't no stopping me. You're pushing me up to the top. I saw the clouds looking angry, but then the sky reached my mind. And when I space out, I see the possibilities unfolding the way that I want. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You cut me loose. You make me win in every way. Win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah. Cause I'm the winner, yes. Cause I'm the winner, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yes, I'm the winner, yeah.
Maybe it's cause we're young, got time and we're wasted, got no plans for the night. I love how you look at me, feeling low, nothing to lose. Can we say it tonight, cause I don't wanna go. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again, so I keep pushing rewind, hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time, but don't you wanna do it by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. We were on top of the world, had time that we wasted. We were young and so dumb.
Since it's just me, I go ahead and put up my leftovers, mostly because this is gonna be my lunch for work tomorrow and then dinner for the next day. So I just go ahead and just put everything up instead of just leaving it out, since there's no one else that will be eating.
Yeah, I wanna do it all again. So I keep pushing rewind, hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time, but don't you wanna do it all again? Stuck on repeat in my mind, dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. You know that I don't wanna feel this way again. So let's pick up the pieces that we left unsaid. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. So I keep pushing rewind, hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time, but don't you wanna do it all again? Stuck on repeat in my mind, dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. Yeah. Time flies, close your eyes. Imagine you could see everybody else's dream, what a comfort it would be. All along, standing strong, the way it ought to be. But you can never walk alone on your way to being free. We're only human after all. Nothing could make us fall apart. I'm ready to answer for what I've done wrong in my life. It's nothing, I promise. It's not enough to make you cry. I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Yeah, it's not that big a deal when I think about it now. We should never be afraid to believe in it somehow. 'Cause we're only human after all. Nothing can make us fall apart. Whoa. I'm ready to answer.
Alright, thank you so much for coming along with me, and I'm about to enjoy my taco meat. Again, I will leave the recipe in the description box, and it's something you have to try. It's so good, y'all. It is so good. Thank you so much for just taking the time out to just watch my videos. I truly appreciate it. So leave a comment on anything, like maybe you tried it and you enjoyed it, like let me know. Or if you want to see more cooking videos, like let me know in the comments. And also, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I hope you have a good night. Bye.